Welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you how to connect or how to pair your Soundcore Aerofit 2 earbuds to your Mac computer. So this can be an iMac or a MacBook, it doesn't really matter, but the instructions will still apply. So the first step is to navigate to the control center, and then from here, you want to select Bluetooth. Under Bluetooth, select Bluetooth settings, and this will open up the Bluetooth settings on your Mac computer. Next, you want to scroll down, and then you should see a list of nearby devices. From here, you now want to place your Soundcore Aerofit 2 earbuds in pairing mode. To do that, open the case, and then at the very back, you should see a button. So you want to press on this button for at least 3 to 5 seconds until you see this indicator light flashing. So just long press on the button, and then once the light starts blinking like this, you can let go of the button and then go back to the Bluetooth settings on your Mac computer. Wait for your Soundcore Aerofit 2 earbuds to appear, and once they've appeared, you want to select Connect, and then wait for them to be paired to your computer. Once they've been paired, you should now see them appearing in the list of My Devices, and they should be listed right there. It says connected, and you can even see the charge of the Soundcore Aerofit 2 earbuds. And now you can start using the earbuds to listen to any audio coming from your Mac computer. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.